Oh shoot, I forgot to call my sister. Was she worried?
A little bit.
She's probably gonna yell at me for it later.
Yeah, probably.
It's really quiet here.
Yeah, it's usually nice.
That's relief. I was worried about the neighbors.
Yeah, they're really nice. Oh man, my last place, there was this older lady who owned a dog,
Aww.
and the dog would poop on our front lawn.
Oh.
Yeah. Every morning he would leave his little present right on our front lawn, and my neighbor would go livid and bang on her door and demand for her to pick up the poop.
Wow. What did the lady say?
They would both argue for what seemed like hours on who should pick up the poop. But in the end, it was always me who ended up picking up the shit.
Oh, that sucks. Well, I didn't have to pick up dog shit, but I had to pick up shit for my boss.
It's basically the same thing.
Here's to picking up shit.
To picking up shit.
What was that?
What was what? What was what?
You didn't hear that? It sounded like someone was laughing.
Cut. I didn't hear anything. Cut. Sound speed. This is weird noise. Take 1.
That pizza on my face.
Action.
What was that?
What was what?
You didn't hear that? It sounded like someone was laughing.
I didn't hear anything. Oh, it was probably the neighbors. The walls are pretty thin here.
But I thought you said that the neighbors were usually quiet.
Well, yeah, but once in a while you'll hear a noise or two. Cut. Okay. Camera speed. Sound speed. This is Shiloh. Close up of wine glass. Take 4. Action.
Camera speed, you said?
Mhm.
Sound speed.
Alright. Samantha, close-up shot. Take 1. Action.
Right. What noise? I didn't hear anything. Cut.
Sound speed.
Samantha, close-up, wine shot. Take 2. Action.
I didn't hear anything. What noise? I messed that up. Camera speed.
Sound speed.
This is Shyla, suspicious stare. Take 1. Action.
You didn't hear that? It sounded like somebody was laughing.
Cut.